How to download voice message in Messenger. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. The Messenger application itself does not allow you to download voice messages in Messenger. However, there is this trick you can apply in order to get the voice message you wanted to download. Open Messenger application on your device and then open the conversation you wanted to download. Scroll down from the right side of your screen and you will be led to the control center. Tap on the screen record button. The screen record will be started and now play the voice message. Once the voice message finishes, tap on the screen record button again to disable screen recording. The screen recording will be saved to photos. You can go ahead and open photos and view the voice message you wanted on your device. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.